Welcome to the Kawasaki motorcycle plant. Here, precision creates iconic machines. Thousands of components are transformed behind these walls. This is where every Kawasaki Z900 begins. Massive steel coils, aluminum alloys, copper, rubber, and engineering plastics to ensure the highest standards. The manufacturing process begins with high-strength steel tubes. Advanced laser cutting and robotic forming machine, the foundation of the Kawasaki Z900 frame. Next, robotic welding systems join the frame components together. Every weld is precisely controlled to create a lightweight yet extremely strong trellis frame. While the frame is being built, the engine begins its journey. Molten aluminum is carefully poured into precision molds to form the engine block and other major engine components. After casting, every engine component is machined. This is done using advanced CNC equipment. Precision at this stage is critical for performance and reliability. Hundreds of individual parts are carefully assembled into Kawasaki's famous inline four-cylinder engine, the powerful heart of the Z900. Flat steel sheets are transformed into the aggressive fuel tank design that gives the Kawasaki Z900 its muscular and distinctive appearance. Engineering-grade plastics are molded into lightweight body panels, creating the sharp and aggressive styling that defines the Z900. Multiple layers of primer, color, and protective coating are applied by advanced robotic paint systems, creating Kawasaki's iconic premium finish. Lightweight alloy wheels are manufactured and carefully balanced to provide excellent stability, handling, and performance. Now the Kawasaki Z900 begins to come together. Thousands of precision-engineered components are assembled into a complete motorcycle. Advanced electronics and rider assistance systems are installed, providing modern performance, control, and rider information. Every Kawasaki Z900 undergoes extensive inspections to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards before leaving the factory. Each motorcycle is tested and calibrated to verify engine power, throttle response, and overall performance. After countless manufacturing steps, precision engineering, rigorous testing, the Kawasaki 100 is finally ready to leave the factory and deliver thrilling performance on roads around the world. Before delivery, the Kawasaki Z900, professional test riders evaluate handling, braking, acceleration, and overall functionality.